Dyeing your hair at home is a fun and simple way to change your appearance. However, regardless of your skills, it is very easy to accidentally stain your scalp and hairline with the hair dye. While you may be quick to panic when this happens, you actually have several home remedies within your bathroom, like toothpaste and makeup remover. To treat the stain quickly before it sets, in this video we will first discuss how to prevent hair dye from staining your skin. After that, we will tell you 4 home remedies to remove hair dye from your scalp and skin. Let's start quickly. Rub baby oil around your hairline and ears before you dye your hair. Pour about 1 tablespoon or 5 ml of baby oil in the palm of your hand. Then dip your fingers into the baby oil and rub it along your hairline and around your ears. The baby oil will create a slick surface for the hair dye and will deter it from fully soaking into your skin. Just make sure not to get any of the baby oil in your hair. Otherwise, the hair dye might not be able to penetrate the baby oil to reach your hair. Instead of baby oil, you can use petroleum jelly or coconut oil as well. Avoid showering before dyeing your hair to build up natural oils. Keep your skin naturally moisturized by refraining from showering or washing your face prior to dyeing your hair. The buildup of oils around your hairline will act as a barrier to the hair dye and keep it from soaking into your skin. Wear a protective headband to keep the dye from dripping down your scalp. Put on a thin elastic headband before you begin. Keep the headband just beyond your hairline so it does not interfere with dyeing your hair. Also, consider placing an old thin towel around your neck to keep the dye from running down your neck behind your head. If you have a hairdresser's cape, then put this on over the towel to protect your clothing from the dye as well. Exfoliating your skin with toothpaste. Apply a pea-sized amount of non-gel toothpaste with baking soda to the stain using a cotton swab. Distribute the toothpaste evenly over the entire stain and discard any excess with a tissue. If you have a soft bristled toothbrush, you can use it to scrub the stain instead, but be cautious due to the brush size. Another option is to use a cotton swab dipped in vinegar or hairspray, regardless of the method, but be careful to avoid contact with your eyes. Rub the toothpaste into the stain for about a minute, applying gentle pressure to avoid skin irritation. If needed, use gloves to rub the toothpaste with your finger. The toothpaste gritty texture and baking soda will help lift the hair dye. Wipe away the toothpaste and lifted dye with a wet washcloth, then wash your face with soap and water. Repeat the process if necessary, but avoid overdoing it to prevent skin irritation. Using makeup remover to lift the hair dye. Apply makeup remover to stained areas with a cotton swab, ensuring complete coverage around scalp and hairline. Consider using cold cream or similar dense makeup removers for better results. Use liquid makeup removers like micellar water as an alternative, though they may be less effective. Rub stained areas gently for 1 minute in circular motions with the cotton swab. Apply gentle pressure to avoid skin irritation. Allow makeup remover to soak into skin for 5 minutes to break down hair dye pigments. Do not exceed 5 minutes to prevent skin irritation. If irritation occurs, wipe off immediately and wash your face. Wipe away makeup remover with a damp washcloth, being careful around eyes. Repeat process if needed for further stain removal. Treating hair dye stains with leftover hair dye. Apply leftover hair dye to stained areas using a cotton swab, avoiding clean skin. Ensure the hair dye only covers the stain to activate its chemicals for easier removal. Be cautious to avoid contact with eyes. Consider wearing goggles. Rub hair dye into the stain for 30 to 60 seconds with gentle circular motions. Only rub within the stains area to prevent spreading. Stop if irritation occurs, rinse face with water. Use an exfoliating soap and wet washcloth to rinse off the dye. If exfoliating soap is unavailable, use regular face soap. Repeat as needed for further lightening and removal of the stain. Soaking the stain with baby oil. Rub baby oil onto the stain using a cotton swab or gloved finger using circular motions. Use 1 tablespoon or 5 ml of baby oil or a light oil like coconut oil. Treat stains before bed to allow the oil to soak overnight. Avoid washing or touching your face while the oil soaks in. Sleep on your back to prevent rubbing off the oil. Cover your pillow with an old towel to avoid staining. Wash your face in the morning with warm water and soap to remove the oil. Avoid using an exfoliating scrubber if your skin is irritated. Repeat the process the following night if needed. This is all for now. We love to read your experience, reviews and questions in the comment section below. Please thumbs up this video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.